Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we got a Kindi Kids doll. This one is Marsha, mellow, and we're going to see how all of her accessories work and how the quality is, all that stuff. And we're going to do an interview of her. So let's do this. Here she is in her backdrop of her box. I should probably show the box more. Here's the back of the box here. You can see her. Oh. There we go. There's the back of the box if you want to pause and look at that. This is the stuff that works, how the cake pop works and the baby chino. Okay, let's get her out. I'm going to set down the camera for a minute, okay? She was already bobbling, you guys. Get her loose here. Careful, careful, careful. Okay, here she is. She does have some clear glue by the side of her mouth. I'm going to try to get that off. But she bobbles pretty good. And she has little marshmallows in her hair. And the dress is a little bit different fabric than I was expecting. It's a little bit crinkly. I don't like that. And she has her shoes, which do come off in the back. They're not molded on. I do like the eyes. The eyes are inset. They are inset. They're not painted on like some other dolls. Hey. I wasn't trying to insult you, Amethyst. So yeah. Amethyst really should have had inset eyes, but that's just me being a picky one. So you can turn her upside down. That doesn't fall off. Does bobble. And trying to see how the head attaches, just to see if it's how durable it is. It looks like it attaches with a plastic piece and not a spring, but I don't know 100% if there's a spring in there or not. I'm hoping there isn't. I'm hoping it's just a plastic piece that bobbles back and forth because of spring. I've had bad experiences before with springs. Yeah, I know you're shaking your head no. But I've had bad experiences with springs. I had a Count Chocula bobblehead that his head snapped off. So, not to scare you guys or anything, but springs are not good. There may be one in here, I don't know. I don't want to take her apart to find out, but it may be just a plastic piece that makes the head bobble. Because I can't really tell. But she's pretty cute. She does have pretty good rooting in the back. It covers really well. And her limbs have some squish to them. And she's not like super heavy. She's a little bit heavier than I expected her to be, but not super heavy. Probably about the same heaviness of a baby alive. So, yeah. Her legs don't. I think it's just her arms that have squish. See. Yeah, not too much squish to the head. Okay. Okay, cutie. Let's get your accessories out. Our accessories are still in the box. We gotta get them out. So let me get them out. So she's got her little baby Chino, which shoots marshmallows when you squeeze it. Look. So it's like a cappuccino kind of thing, only it's for babies. So you squeeze it and it makes marshmallow go up there into her mouth. A little weird, but yeah, it's cute. And then we got the cake pop here. It's got a little Shopkins face on it, just like the other baby Chino. And you take it out. Why is it so hard to get out with one hand? Come on. Seriously? Why can't I pull this thing out? Come on. Run out. Hold on a minute. Okay, so you need 2 hands to pull that out. And you put it up to her mouth and see if it will show it. Yeah, and it pops and she takes a bite of it. It's cute. It's real cute. So that's what she comes with. And I think that this is cute. This is a good doll. I mean, if you're... Other than the dress fabric, which was disappointing. I do like the lace, though, and the little bows. But it's a really cute design. But I do think that the dress fabric could have been a bit better, but it's pretty cute, though. I would recommend this. You can get these for $25 at the store. Not too expensive. If you like baby alive dolls, this is definitely something that you enjoy. Or if you just like Shopkins toys, because these are really cute. I do collect the smaller Shoppies, so I wanted to know how these were. Stop doing the no. I do find this one really amusing. She's so cute, you guys. Well, thanks for watching. What do you got to say? Make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell, okay? Yeah, like and subscribe and ring the bell. I'm gonna have some more videos out, probably tomorrow. Yeah, I know, you're still shaking your head. Or I may have ones later today if I feel up to it. But, yeah, I'm gonna have more videos coming out with unboxings of hot items. So make sure to check it out and like and subscribe so you don't miss anything, okay? Have a great day and thanks for watching. Bye.